I'm an android.
Webster's 24th Century Dictionary, 5th edition, defines an android as an automaton made to resemble a human being.
Good morning, guys. It has been over a month that we haven't touched DARA, or actually make a video of DARA. And today I am putting together the first part of the leg. This is the hips of DARA. And as you can see, there's two sides, right and left. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting this thing together in here. Well, you cannot just install it. I don't think you can anyways. You probably could. Let's try. There it is. Then I have to put the other motor on this side. So now I need to solder two more of this into this section because they are going to be independent from each other. I could wire them parallel to each other, so when I activate one, it activates the other automatically. But I'm thinking of doing it individually, because if I ever need to move forward and have the other one stop it going in the reverse direction, they can actually work independently. That's my thought anyways. We can always come back and revise that. So I'm going to solder those two wires. Then I will put a bearing inside here. Second part, I will then insert it. And I need to make sure that the direction of the flat area corresponds to where I'm going to put the screw. So you might actually have to take this and turn it to the proper angle. Let me do that now. There it goes. Now I have to put the locking screw, and this will be actually all nice and set. The next step is to actually put a metal support for this whole piece, which will be another video. So now I need to solder the other wire to the second motor, and I need to lock it in place. I might have to put a spacer in between these two parts because of the ball bearings. The dimensions that I thought was gonna be nice and tight is not, because I'm missing some spaces. So I might have to print a spacer, or I might just print another piece here to complete the part, which might be the easiest thing to do. So the other part is a mirror image of this. They're not printed the same way I mirrored it. So for some reason I'm thinking to put it this way, and it's not that way. It's actually inserted. That's why you don't put the second motor in, because you have to actually there we go. So those are two part of the legs.